Texas State University is a really large campus of 38,000 students in the middle of Central Texas. We have a growing applied research portfolio that looks at all types of issues that touch on resilience in different ways. For several decades, our communities and our state have worked on emergency preparedness planning, but we haven't focused as much about what happens next. So CHERR is a statewide hub for health and economic research that will transform our ability as a state to be more resilient in the face of public emergencies in the future. We are looking at resilience across disciplines, from a tornado to a flood to a pandemic. Resilience has some characteristics I think that are in common across, and using interdisciplinary teams of researchers allows us to pivot and look at those issues as they really occur in the world. Unfortunately, we can't stop the next public health emergency from occurring, but we can help people manage it in ways that are informed by things we've learned from the COVID-19 pandemic. To think about how do we avoid this, or at least try to make it better next time. We are charged with doing research that matters to people's lives. And what matters more than issues that affect our health, our safety, our businesses, our livelihood? And that's a really exciting place to be.